Hello beautiful family, welcome back to the channel. Today I have this remote job worldwide. Yes, from remote okay, you can write in your Google browse remoteok.com and then you will see find a remote job from work from anywhere. As you can see on your screen, find a remote job, work from anywhere. Okay, so now today we have this job. If you can see, we have this type of things that you can filter. You can filter work worldwide, North America, Latin American, Europe, Africa, wherever, guys, you can see. If you click worldwide, all right, so you will see this freelancer writer. It's from verified employer. Okay, as you can see, it's this from this company IAPWE. This job is worldwide and you will be paid 50,000 USD per year. Okay, so that is the amount of money that you will be paid. If you click here, you'll see they say that our organization is seeking content writer to create articles and blog posts on a variety of topic. Yes, the rates from this word, you can word like a $20 per words. All right, so this comes out on approximately $100 per article or $50 per hour. Okay, there is topic that you can write. There is health, beauty, fitness, home decor, fashion, sport, do it yourself, finance, legal, medical, family, relationship, real estate, restaurant, contracting, everything. You can see plumbing, pool building, remodeling, and so many more. So they have topics. Now you can choose which topic you can focus on this website. Normally these jobs are very competitive, but guys, for example, if you know this remoteok.com, now start filtering the jobs that are available by that time. For example, if you filter job worldwide, of course there is salary, there is other search, there is maybe in finance. You can filter jobs in finance worldwide, something like that. Okay, so guys, this is the job that I wanted to share with you. Yes, visit remoteok.com. You will find jobs according to what you are looking for. This is a reminder that you can get remote job. Yes, remote job actually is very very hard to get, but guys, wherever you are putting all effort and search every single day, apply, maybe 10 job per day, you will find your dream job. Okay, I work remotely. I wish everyone to work remotely as well. Please never be discouraged. Continue to apply jobs. Okay, anywhere in the world you can get remote job. Okay, so guys, okay, we can filter another job if you want, but guess you can just take it through your computer, start filtering the job that you are looking for. You will see, for example, this job is closed. It means they are not allowing any application again. If you see here it's closed, it means they are no longer accepting application. But this one, let's say creative senior front end engineer, you might find that okay, now as well this one is closed as well. So you have to know, okay, this job is still available or not. Okay, for example, if you filter here latest jobs, there is a sort by latest job. Let me zoom a little bit. You can see you can filter according to latest job, highest pay, most viewers, most applied, hottest, and most benefits. Okay, let's click here latest jobs. You will see there is this job was posted 6 hours ago. This is 8 hours ago. This one is 5 days. Let's say if you are looking for course instructor, software application developer, you can click here. This is worldwide as well. This another one, product support engineer. This is worldwide as well. Yes, it's remote product support engineer. If you want to see the qualification, if you have degree in computer science or IT or any related field, you are able to apply. So experience in technical support role is preferred. In the level of 2 capacity is preferred, guys, is not a must. Okay, as you can see on your screen. Proficiency in troubleshooting technical issues related, guys, is highly recommended. Strong knowledge in this Linux operation system, strong script skills in shells and Python is also recommended. Here there is customer focused mindset, strong problem solving skills, ability to work independently, knowledge and experience with AWS. You can read this and additional information. Yes, guys, as you can see, this is the job that you can find on remoteok.com. Yes, apply, continue to apply. Yes, so these are the verification, I mean the qualification, okay? Yes, the responsibility, of course, it's all about customer service and the problem diagnosis, also documentation, something related to remote product support engineer. All right, if you go back, you will see this course instructor software application. If you click here, it look like it's a remote course instructor software application development. Let's see the qualification requirements: bachelor or master's in computer science, software engineering, okay, or any other related field. Proficient in English, at least C2 level or equivalent. The course you have taught in English. It means you don't have to take TOEFL or IELTS in case you have your bachelor or master's level in English, PhD in computer science, proven experience in e-learning environment, English as a native language, proficient experience in software development, research in learning or technical teaching programming. So yes, as you can see, these are the hot jobs that you can find here on remoteok.com. Yes, guys, continue applying. Remember, we have WeWorkRemotely.com as well. You can find worldwide. I'm encouraging you to continue to visit all those websites, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. May God bless you as you give me a thumbs up. Yes, like, share, and subscribe. And let me to the next video. Bye bye.